Well, here we are in Arizona, kind of a very pretty area, as you can see. This is where Derek is installing our solar panels on our vehicle right here. That's our FR3. Nice little awning out. We have our little dog right here, acting like he's miserable because it's hot, but actually he's pretty good. He's got water and he's in the shade. But yeah, so we're gonna get this. It's gonna take about 3 days, and we should have quite a lot of solar power. But again, look at this area behind me. Look how nice this is. This is an incredible place to be. Sorry, I think I had my hand in there. But anyways, yeah, this is good. This is our first long form video, really.